Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to friends on Duolingo quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your Duolingo app. If you're on a computer, go to duolingo.com and log in. Once you're logged in, follow these simple steps. Step 1, tap on your profile. Now, here you can see the add friends option. Tap on it. So you can add your friends via three methods: by choosing from contacts, or you can search for them by their names, or so you can share your profile. So when you can't find your friend by username or email, you can also invite them to join Duolingo by sending an invitation via email or social media. Just tap or click on the invite my friends option. And that's it, you've successfully added a friend on Duolingo. Now you can complete and compete with your friends and motivate each other to keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.